So how to convert XRP to your USDT on your Binance? Open your Binance, and if you press on your balance, then under fund account you can see your XRP, or under spot account, if your XRP already buy, then you can see this area. And if you want to convert to fund, then you can see, press on your XRP and you can see the convert option. Press on convert. Now select your XRP, and here you have to select your USDT and press on max to convert all. Now press on preview. Now you have to confirm, and your convert is done. Now go back, press on your home screen area and open your balance again. In fund section, you see no XRP is available, all are converted as USDT. So that's it. Thank you, have a good day.